the 5 most important sites for Olmec art, like say collections of Olmec art in the world, are all in Mexico. They include the National Museum of Anthropology, the Site Museum of San Lorenzo, which is near the archaeological site itself, in outside Acayucan in southern Veracruz. So that's the second. The Park Museum of La Venta, which is at the outdoor park where many of my recent videos were that I've been posting on the channel have been from that visit to the park. The Museum of Anthropology in Xalapa, and I want to say the San Lorenzo, the museum, the Xalapa Museum, the National Museum of Anthropology, the La Venta Museum, and the Regional Museum of Villahermosa, or the Regional Museum of Anthropology in Villahermosa, which I saw during the Day of the Dead week in 2024. So now I have seen all 5 of the world's largest collections of Olmec art. And 3 of them were just in this last trip. So I have a wealth of content about the Olmec that I plan to gradually bring to the publish to the channel, because I was so impressed with how much art I had never seen in person before. And in fact, it was a funny thing is that when my first full day of that week in Mexico, I went to the National Museum of Anthropology, and I actually took photos and made videos in the Olmec part of the reproductions, just in case I didn't have the chance to see these in like the originals in person in Tabasco. The off chance that I couldn't see the originals in person, I just went ahead and took those photos in Mexico, and I could probably still use them. But the main ones have been the ones that I actually did see. So, for example, the mosaic jaguar mask of La Venta, the replica that I filmed in Mexico City at the Anthropology Museum, I got to see in person, and this will be part of the La Venta Museum Park playlist, which I will be, it'll be the conclusion, which is kind of funny because, as many of you know, I often like to conclude my playlist with today's mask. And in that case, it just happened to be that the final installment, the final episode of my walk around the park happened to be with the mosaic mask. So both chronologically and thematically, today's mask for the La Venta Park Museum will be the jaguar mosaic mask that I got to see toward the end. So that was really cool.